The feeling that I had walking into the Institute on the very first day is not much different than the feeling I walk in today. I get goosebumps.
In 1998, I had breast cancer, and I think that threw him for a loop. He was very passionate at that point, trying to help me find a cure.
Lonnie and I decided we needed to figure out how to find jobs and keep biotech alive in Huntsville. And so we came up with the idea of this nonprofit institute that was very entrepreneurial.
We made real progress in childhood diseases, undiagnosed human adult diseases, basic science and understanding how our genes are regulated, which is critical for understanding disease.
We processed nearly 7,000 cancer samples last year. And so that meant there were 7,000 families affected and 7,000 cancer patients. 10,000 St. Jude genomes that have been done for childhood cancer survivors. So that's 10,000 adults now that were former childhood cancer survivors who are being impacted by these results.
Growing up in the space program, I was inspired almost daily by the wonders of science and space. I was in the crowd that carried von Braun and his team up the courthouse steps. I watched every blast-off and splashdown of Project Mercury. I cried my eyes out when Grissom and Chaffee and White died on the launch pad. I held my babies up to the TV when Armstrong stepped on the moon. Not since those days have I felt such excitement. Not since those days have I held so much expectation for the future.